Action.
My name is Mr. Victor Wanga from Upper Hill School, Nairobi, Kenya. I have been a teacher in Upper Hill School for some time. Upper Hill School is a great school that not only mentors talents but also insists in bringing out academic excellence out of our students. Upper Hill School has done superbly well in incorporating talent and academic progress. In sports, Upper Hill School has been a champion in several games like rugby, basketball, and other football and other sporting activities. Music and other extracurricular activities has really been a strength of this school. And I believe that if we can do better in talents, academic progress is now just one thing that must also be seen to come out of our students. I believe in our students. I believe that every student has got the ability to come out of this school with something. On a daily basis, I wake up in the morning. My ambition is making the best out of my student in the most friendly way, to ensure that students are safe, to ensure that students are motivated, to ensure that I get the best out of my students. In mentoring line, I've been able to motivate my students, to link them up and to make them apply for opportunities out of the country. Just like most recently, one of my students, who is also the school captain, attended the Yale Young African Scholars that was organized in Rwanda. This was not only motivating to other students and has really made a lot of difference. The school has a lot of talent and teacher motivational tactics where teachers are intrinsically motivated to do their work. The students equally support us in performing our role as teachers, and we believe that Upper Hill School will not only be a locally recognized school but internationally and globally recognized school. The school insists in making the best out of our students, and every individual and every student has got the ability in not only sports, academics, and any other line. And so I believe that as a teacher, I will make the great school be greater, not only to myself but even to my students. I believe in having a better students than myself, better performance and better ability, and people who are going to be employable, acceptable in the society, having the right moral values, and people who are going to be great leaders in the society. Thank you.
I would like to recommend Mr. Victor Wanga for the Global Teacher Prize. This is because he has provided quality education in class and out of it. The quality of his teaching is commendable because he has integrated the use of ICT in his teaching. And linking our school to the global world, I would also want to highly recommend him because he's able to pick out students, gifted students, nurture whatever gifts that they have. He's able to facilitate their creative thinking process. And he's been involved in a number of projects that have won recognition in the country and out of the country. And the boys that he has handled have gone quite far.
He really incorporates technology in his classes. Like, there's never a boring class with Mr. Wanga.
This song talks about mainly how our teachers help us in the near future, how they are betters, and how they are able to make us attain our visions. And this is a special dedication to our teacher, Mr. Wanga. Thank you.
Walimu wetu, 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 walimu wetu. wetu, walimu wetu, walimu wetu, walimu wetu, tunawapenda.
Walimu tunawatukuza, tunapenda mnavyotufunza. Kama si nyinyi tungekuwa wapi? Sababu yetu mko darasani mnajitolea.
He has actually taken the students out to competitions. We have won trophies, as you can see them on the table. We've been able to be the national champions in the Maseno mathematics contest. He has actually taken the school to another step. There is a lot he does to assist the teachers to incorporate ICT in the teaching and also students.
Our classes have done well. In fact, we have developed positive attitude in mathematics. Students like, they enjoy doing mathematics.
Monsieur Victor est très dynamique. Il aime les étudiants et il aime aussi les professeurs au lycée. Il travaille avec les étudiants des familles pauvres pour améliorer leur situation.
Because he's up to the task. He's always ready to go an extra mile outside the school working hours to ensure that programs are running efficiently in the departments and especially the mathematics department. So I wish him well and I pray you can consider him for this competition. Thank you.
And I appreciate having Wanga as a colleague in the department. Thank you.
Alors, moi je pense que M. Wanga est un bon prof, il est très actif, il nous aide ici à l'école et il aide surtout les étudiants. Merci.
So, creativity is one of the skills that the competence-based curriculum is encouraging, and he has managed to do that very well. So if he continues handling boys the way he is, I believe that they have a good future ahead of them. So I highly recommend Mr. Victor Wanga. Thank you.
Good morning, Victor, and congratulations on your nomination for the Vaki Global Teacher Prize. It's been a pleasure to work with you internationally with your school and with your teachers, and in particular on the Global Sundial project. So I look forward to continuing to work with you and your students and wish you all the best. Well done.
I would like to mention Mr. Wanga as a teacher who has always inspired me. He wants to know what I know, he wants to know what I wish to do in my life, and then he supports me in what I intend to achieve. In that experience I learned so many things which I had never known I would learn, and I thank him for being a great teacher.
He usually comes to teach us with the projectors. He usually comes to incorporate computers in class, which is not a normal thing, especially here in Kenya.
I thank him, and I will wish to support him even after school, so that he can empower many more students like me who are ambitious, who are ready. Sometimes the students, we need more than just teachers, we need mentors. Mr. Wanga is a mentor.
Like with his knowledge, he was able to help me register for a championship in Australia, which was the Education Perfect Championship, in which I learned a lot, and I was able to learn from other countries and using other methods, which is not something which we usually get here in Kenya, and seeks to help the students to learn more about SDGs and to become global citizens. Mr. Wanga has been really instrumental in the school's activities, and I would really love to see him continue inspiring his students to become better and more equipped citizens in the future.